Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find more games on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Here you can find the third option, the more games button, next to the community option, and here you can find similar games, for example the gardenscapes, homescapes, fish dam, or manure matters, and just select one and click to the go button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.